Hi, it's Robin. I wanted to take a minute to explain Mr. Linkies because I'm going to start doing them on my blog regularly. If you look here on the screen, you'll see this site uses Mr. Linkies magical widgets, this little box down here. You can see this is on Wordless Wednesday from last week. Scroll down beneath my picture and that's where you'll find it. Other sites use Linkies also. There's different ones, but they're all about the same. So what you need to do, this one is about Wordless Wednesday, so if you've made a post on your own blog about Wordless Wednesday, you can have it listed here so everybody will visit. So first you need the information. So I'm going to go to another page of my blog, and let's pretend this was a Wordless Wednesday. To get the exact link, not your main link, like mine is robinsonlineworld.com, to get the direct link to the post, click on the title. This will work on most of your blogs. And then you have this longer URL up here. You want to copy that. You can just hit Control-C after you highlight it. And then you go back. And then in the Mr. Linky box down here, I'm going to type Test Linky just so you can see. And then you would normally put the name of your blog or the name of your post, whatever is appropriate to the Linky. Then you go to the next space and you paste your URL in there, Control-V as a quick shortcut. And then you hit Enter and you'll see that I'll become next up here. And so you see right here now, number 8 is Test Linky. That's what I just wrote. And that's all you have to do. I'm going to be doing these each week. Wordless Wednesday, definitely. I'm going to do a menu one each week. And a couple other. I'm going to do one with all giveaways. So if you have your own blog, you can post your giveaways. So come back and check. And that's how you participate in a Mr. Linky. If you want to do more, sometimes they don't show up right away. You might have to hit the refresh button on your browser. But that's it. They're very simple. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll answer it on the blog. Thanks.